Hi there, students. Surfeit. A surfeit. To surfeit as a verb. Okay, whenever I have a party and I invite people, I always prepare a surfeit of food. More than I need, more than enough. Yeah? And there's always an overabundance. Yeah, and even though everybody surfeits themselves on this wonderful food I've made, they gorge themselves, they eat as much as they can and then more, there is still a surfeit, there is just too much. Okay, and they all normally end up with a stomachache. So a surfeit, an overabundance, an excess. Yeah, to surfeit oneself, to eat too much, to do too much, to go too far, to indulge your appetite until you can't feed any more, or to supply or give till no one can take any more. A surfeit, as the state of being just full. Yeah. Okay, so surfeit. A surfeit, an amount that is too large. It's more than is needed, more than you can use. So the spring was very, very favourable, and there was a glut of cherries, a huge number of cherries, a surfeit, more than the market could take, more than the market could sell. A surface, too much, an oversupply. Yeah. Okay. So a surface, more than you can use. I think if you have a surfeit of choice, it's a problem. Yeah. You need to be able to have several choices: a big one, a small one, a medium one, an expensive one, a cheap one, a medium one. But not a surfeit of choices, because you go into the supermarket and you just don't know what to choose. There's just so much. Yeah. Okay, so to surfeit, to overindulge, to eat too much, to eat an excessive amount. Yeah. King Henry the First, they say he died from a surfeit of lampreys. A lamprey is a fish. There's also one little aside: a surfeit, a group of skunks. You know these strange names for groups of animals. Well, a surfeit is a group of skunks. So a surfeit, an excess, an overabundance. Yeah, where there is more than you need, there's a surplus. Yeah, to surfeit, to eat too much, to make a glutton of yourself. Yeah, and overindulgence. Okay, so surfeit. Okay, but if you binge on something, normally you take a surfeit of it. So a surfeit, a plethora. You eat until you are satiated, and then you go a bit further. So to surfeit oneself, to overindulge, particularly in eating or drinking. Yeah. Okay. I guess after that you feel really sick because you've just gone too far. Okay, so an excess, an overabundance of something. Yeah, going to the nth degree. So a surfeit, formality. 6, informality. Don't use informally. Use in the semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. To surfeit oneself. 6.5 to 7, informality. Use in a semi-formal or a formal writing. And then as to origin, okay, there's a Middle English word, surfeit, which comes from Anglo-Norman and Old French, surfer, from surfaire, to exaggerate, to exceed. Sur, over, and faire, do, so to overdo, literally. So, Surfeit. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A surfeit of videos.